Hi guys, so in this tutorial we'll learn about how we can create a chatbot using Gradio. Okay, let's start. So as usual we'll create a tut for chatbot.py. Okay, and we'll import Gradio as tr and import random that will return a random value from our list. Okay, random response. So right now we'll have a response that is somewhat random. Okay, from our choice, from our list of choices. Okay, so message history is what we want to give. Okay, and return random the choose, and from here we'll have a list of yes or no. So randomly it will select yes or no. Okay, and in a main file we just need to call this gr.chat interface. Okay, and we need to call this random response. Okay, and close it up, demo.launch. Okay, and now we just need to run radio tut for chatbot. Okay, so start it, and you can see it here. Now we have a chatbot. Okay, hey, let's submit this. Yes, are you there? It will give me response only yes or no for now. Okay, yes. Okay, are you ready? Yes. So right now it's giving me only yes. You can see now we got no also. Okay, and we can clear it up. So this is a way how you can simply create a chatbot using Gradio. Okay, and that is useful to create any demo of your project using Gradio. Okay, thank you for watching.